first you want to go ahead and take the keychain out of the way. And the fob has a little spot right here, right there on the end. Now you want to put the buttons facing down and get a screwdriver and pry up. Basically, you want to put it all the way in there, the screwdriver, and then twist it. Now you can use a coin, like a nickel or something like that, instead of a screwdriver, and just basically pop it up and get it started. You want to gently separate the pieces here, and then there's the other half. So you want to go ahead and set this down. And then this circuit board is where the battery is housed. And there's a little rubber seal around it as well. And what you want to do is lift up on that circuit board like so. Take it out, and then just don't mess with that seal, or you can clean up around if you want. But just set that part down now. Now the circuit board, you can see it has the battery in this little cage. And what you want to do is, without damaging any of the circuit board pieces, you want to just push it out. So just kind of gently press it out. You might be able to do maybe with your finger or something, but not really. It's best to have like maybe some tweezers or, you know, something. But just be very careful with these circuit board pieces here. And you want to press it out, slide it out basically this direction. At a certain point, it'll go flying out, so you got to be careful with it. Once you get to a certain point, you can go ahead and take it out with your fingers here. It's a CR2032 battery. All right, and you get the new battery. Slide it back in, and this is the easy part. You just push it in with your finger there. Now, we get the half with the seal on it and the buttons, and place it back in place like so. Make sure it's all the way down in there. Then you get the other half like so. Lay it on top. Make sure it's lined up before you start pressing it. And then once it's lined up properly, snap it in place, and then you're all finished.